Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to try the menu number 22 Asian style beef strips with vegetables. And I'm going to try putting salt in the flameless ration heater this time. I just have one of these little salt packets. Let's see what kind of goodies we get this time. My hands are all dry, so I can't open the pouch, but I'll just cut the sucker open. Okay, so what I have is the main fried rice, wheat snack bread, cocoa beverage powder, accessory pack, strawberry jam, chunky peanut butter, toffee rolls, which I think are just, if memory serves, those are just Tootsie Rolls. Wow, I cannot, my hands are all dried out today, so I can't get a grip on anything. Yep, so Tootsie Rolls. And the heater, which I'm going to break into. So I got the box. I'm going to go right ahead and put the salt in. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring a way to boil water because I was going to go out to the woods. So that's actually going to be kind of a bust. So, what are you going to do? So we're going to put the whole salt in here. And we're going to get these ready. Yeah, I am on camera. A little bit of water. I typically always overfill these, so I'm going to try to not do that this time. And I did overfill it. Jiminy Christmas. Okay. Tilt it at a 45-degree angle. See what that does. Alrighty, so excuse me. This thing is not even warm. Like, I don't know what I did differently. I put the water in. Well, it's getting a little warm right down here, but maybe it's doing nothing. This is what I meant by having bad luck with these things. It's like they don't ever seem to want to work for me. I've got it at a 45-degree angle, I think, the best I can. I went ahead with the snack bread. Just went ahead and put the peanut butter and the strawberry jam on there. Give me something to eat while I don't know about that heater. Is it because I poured a little bit of water out? I forgot to show you the snack bread. It looked just like a slice of bread. It tastes good. Alright, so I've been walking around the campsite, or the park here, and this thing is not even warm at all. I mean, it's barely warm. So I'm just gonna go home, and I'm just dumping out the water. I'm going to go home and I'm going to fire up my stove. Because I didn't bring one with me. Because I didn't think I needed it. And I'm going to heat this up and then taste it at home when I get these warm, or preferably hot. So I'm actually pretty annoyed right now. That's some heat right there. All right. Alrighty. Guess we'll try the main since it's already has a spoon in it. Here we go. You know, that's surprisingly good. Has a little bit more seasoning than I thought too. Let's try the fried rice. Fried rice is actually kind of bland. So we're gonna throw it in on the top of the steak. We're gonna hit it. A little bit of salt-free Mrs. Dash. Why not? And a little bit of Trader Joe's black peppercorn, because I like pepper. I'll say this, combining them is definitely the way to go. Yeah, I like it. The rice was a little lackluster for me. I didn't have a lot of flavor. It seems a little gummy as well, but once you mix it with the Asian beef, it's a lot better. I mean, I hit it with the spices too, but this is how I was at home. I figured might as well. Well, as always, I thank you for watching. I don't know what the deal with the Flemish ration heater was. Maybe someone in the comments can let me know below. Either too much salt, too little. Did it have something to do with the fact that I poured a little water off? I don't know why that would matter. But it seemed to. I hadn't had lunch, so this is it. Because I was hungry and I thought I was. So, I'd say that was a good test of how good it was. Alright, well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.